How to add Behance profile link to either your Facebook account or to your Instagram account. Let's get started. So for example, let's go to our profile link right here, Behance profile. And this is our profile. So let's copy and paste the link. Copy. Let's start off with Facebook. For Facebook, let's go up here and then press this, Settings and Privacy. Settings. Scroll down until you see Profile Details. Click that. Scroll down again and then press this, Contact and Basic Info. You can either put it as a website or add it as a social link. I'll add it as a website. I'll paste the address, save, and now your Behance link is on your Facebook account. Now let's move on to Instagram. I'm already at the settings, but let's start from more and then settings. That's how you get to settings, which is where I am now. I'm already at the edit profile tab. If you want to add it to your website, like to the website section of your profile, you need to do it on mobile. So go to your mobile device and paste the link from there. But in here, I'll just put it on my bio. So let me delete the old one, paste the link, and then submit. And now your Behance link is also on your Instagram account. It's as easy as that.